Spanish rap, Spanish rap, Spanish rap, Spanish rap, Spanish rap.
Bullin' in Bogota, let my paper stretch. Play the ghost close like I'm Raider Chef. Money low, remember when I had bummy clothes. Cut the dope up, sniffling, that's that runny nose. I'm all these bitches' favorite pussy niggas, talk courageous. I double wages, prostitutes when I'm up in Vegas. They need a pass, Colombia, get a key and dash. Pistol whip a nigga, it's nothing to get a 3.5. 100 out the stash, I done sold grams. But they was winning off luck, was probably Colts fans. 12 gauge shotties on their sofas. Drunk in the VI classic Reeboks, but they ghost ya. My bitches from the heights screaming Bobby Chew. Dominoes on the canopy screaming Gabi Cool. Was pumping with the kids that stretch. I was in LA with the 9, I was Nick Van X, the Pope. The streets are part of me, I keep the Henny close, we related, I'm just like Cardi B. It's hard to see when your vision blurry. We blind shooting obituaries, more tombstones. I move O's with precision, leather apron on, stuck in the kitchen, just whip it. The shit was written, I'm God's son. Motivated, you can tell his face, nigga. I pray at night to the God's son. Honda Accord, Delaware the plates, nigga. Just bought a Cuban, I'm a maverick. Self-made, remember having shit, nigga. We turn one into plural, just tell Tats crew, get my good side on my mural, the Pope.
Music world, never heard my nigga. It's my nigga Aldo. He gon' spit rules. I said yo.
They know the raw sound and harsh delivery.